Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe if you are not done before to get more useful videos. I'll be sharing house plans, interior works, other useful construction ideas. In this video we are going to see 30x40 flat floor plans. I have 3 different floor plans for 30x40 east facing. So I'll be sharing more videos for west facing also. The first one is a duplex plan where you can see car parking. It's a good space car parking, and kitchen has a very good space 13x9, and staircase is it's designed in such a way that is each landing area will have 6 steps, so old kids and old people can climb easily. And there is a not big, I can't say that is a big space, but a decent amount of space for dining area, and one bedroom at ground floor, 11x11 and 4x7 bathroom. And there is a good amount of space in sit out, around 8x14 space that will give a very good place to spend more time during the morning and evening, especially in rainy season. And hall is very it's kind of square shape, 16x14. And first floor, I kept one bedroom with a square shape, 16x15, along with the attached bathroom, 5x8, and common bathroom 5x8. And there is a small hall is there, so where you can use it for study area. And from first floor, there is a headroom to access the water tank and all in second floor. So this is first floor plan. And second one, this plan is for 2 bedroom in ground floor itself, so a good space in car parking, and staircase are coming outside, and it's a lengthy hall, and one common bathroom, and 2 bedrooms are in with one bedrooms having 11x11. One bedroom will have 10x8 or 8.5, and one bedroom has attached bathroom and dining area is there, and puja room, and a good space in kitchen area. So this is a very good plan, so where if you plan it for under 20 lakhs budget, then it will be very suitable plan. And for the first plan duplex house, it will cost around 30 to 35 lakhs. And it's another duplex plan. So this plan is especially for the people who does not believe vastu, and they want more space for kitchen, dining, and hall combined one. So it's kind of open kitchen, and along with the dining, utility area, and hall. So what is it's a open space for all 3 combined one. And there won't be any bedroom in ground floor. You can have 3 bedrooms in first floor, and you can make the different and in this plan, so car parking you can park 2 cars, and bathroom will have it will come under staircase. One side it will come under staircase, and this it has 6x10 space, so it's a good amount the space will have. Thank you for watching. Based on your need, based on your vastu belief, you can go for any plans. So if you want any specific plan, you can comment it, or if you want make any changes in the existing plan itself, you can also comment it. Once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends and well-known peoples. Please appreciate me. Thank you.